High school family, we have some exciting news. Just like here in the school, we like to meet every child where they're at. We want to do the same with our potential families. And we know that everybody is busy. We all have so much going on in our lives. Therefore, we want to bring our next open house to all of you. We are going to do our next open house live and virtually. Yes, people can get an in-depth look at our school. They can talk with me, talk with other teachers, get a virtual glimpse into our classrooms and the naturescape, all from the comfort of their own home, their office, and all on their devices. So what do we need all of you, the best school family ever, to do for us? We would love for you to help spread the word. Share our posts on your personal pages, send emails. Just let everybody know that they can join us online virtually and get a really great look at the school. And you know what else? We want your help because we want more people like you to join the best school family ever.